Are you looking for the best drones under $100? In this video, we will look at some of the best drones under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS Drone. The arms are foldable, compact, and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode provides more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, it can connect to APK system, take photos/videos in real time through the mobile phone camera and transmit images. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3,000 meters. 5G Wi-Fi 1080p/5G Wi-Fi 4K HD/5G Wi-Fi 6K HD/5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it provides stable flight. Orbital motion will make the aircraft fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route for a given path with a helicopter on the screen. Flight time up to 22 to 30 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. One key return function, you can easily find your way home. One key takeoff/landing. One key automatic takeoff or landing, the drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. With overcurrent protection and low battery protection. Adopting 2.4 GHz technology, it has anti-interference function. The quadcopter fuselage is made of strong, high-strength engineering plastic, which is lightweight and durable. Up and down, front and back, left and right, sideways flight, 3 flight speed levels, LED lights, follow the car, circle flight, waypoint flight, altitude hold mode, headless mode, one key return, one key takeoff/landing, Wi-Fi FPV, camera/video. Number 2. TT36 GPS RC Drone. The TT36 drone is equipped with a Sony IMX camera with a 4K sensor and 120 degrees wide-angle lens for imaging and improved low-light performance. Expand memory with an SD card, up to 32 GB, and enjoy stable image transmission via 5G Wi-Fi FPV. Using GPS, the drone records positions and distances and supports hovering outdoors. The system allows predefined trajectory tracking and automatic return to the starting point in the event of signal loss. Drone TT36 is equipped with 4 brushless motors that offer high speeds, silent operation, and a long service life, guaranteeing trouble-free flights with minimum maintenance. Sony's IMX sensor camera delivers professional 4K images with improved low-light performance. Intelligent gesture control, make a yes gesture to take a photo and record video with your palm facing the camera. It is ideal for sports enthusiasts for hands-free use in parkour, skateboarding, and other activities. 5 GHz Wi-Fi image transmission distance up to 300 meters. Support VR perspective flight, immersive flight experience. Number 3. BEYONDSKY B5 Mini 4K Pro Drone. B5 Mini supports a variety of shooting modes. During the flight, the camera will always aim at the target. With the object as the center of the circle, you can freely draw the waypoint, and also control the aircraft to fly around, spiral, and other ways to help you take close-up shots with cinematic texture. Real-time transmission as far as 3 kilometers with low latency and strong anti-interference, giving you a real-time view of the distant scenery. Automatic altitude locking, stable hover, prevent photo jitter, clearer picture quality. A drone which never lost. When the flight occurs abnormally, the aircraft will automatically return to flight. Whether the drone is fixed-point hovering or high-speed flight, the image picture is always stable and smooth. 2100 mAh high-capacity intelligent battery, you can enjoy up to 26 minutes of fun flight time. Equipped with Sony image sensor, B5 Mini has an amazing 8-megapixel sensitivity and a powerful 25 megabits per second video capture performance, which faithfully restores every scene for you. Number 4. WeFone WF30 GPS Drone. This 4K drone is equipped with a 90 degrees electrically adjustable camera and a 117 degrees wide-angle lens, enabling effortless adjustment of the camera angle for enhanced perspectives and capturing wider landscapes. FPV 5G transmission allows for real-time viewing and sharing of exciting moments. The transmission and remote control range is approximately 300 meters. The GPS drones with camera for adults 4K supports low battery, weak signal, and one-key return functions, allowing it to quickly and reliably return to the takeoff point. Follow Me mode, waypoint flight, and point of interest features enable users to easily set the drone's flight path and shooting direction. Additionally, one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and speed switching functions make it easy for beginners and kids to control this drone with 4K camera. This drones with camera for adults 4K is equipped with 2 rechargeable modular batteries, extending the flight time to 40 minutes, 20 minutes per battery. The 4K drone with camera uses powerful brushless motors for smoother flight, faster speeds, lower noise, and longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. This will be the best camera drone for adults and beginner. This drone with camera for adults is equipped with an upgraded hovering system and optical flow positioning technology, ensuring stable hovering in the air and providing users with an excellent drone flying experience. Number 5. Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees by your remote control or the app, this drone can give you an exciting experience of aerial scenery from the 112 degrees wide-angle lens and assist you to catch every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or capturing the details of a fun family reunion, HS440 can handle it all. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes with a powerful modular battery and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Thanks to intuitive and advanced features packed in a foldable frame, HS440 provides complete freedom wherever and however you want to create. In addition, it's equipped with a carrying case which is very helpful for you to move the drone from one place to another. Explore your world without limitations. HS440 carefully optimizes user experience and intelligent features. Thanks to automatic takeoff and precise hovering, operation is more streamlined and safer than ever. One-key high-speed rotation would bring more fun amid flight. The possibilities are endless when the sky is your playground. HS440 is a must-have for beginners with its intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, as well as its user-friendly features such as its long flight time for every practice.